Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sum a column or row in Google Sheets using the most efficient methods available in 2026. Let's get into it. First, use the sum function. The most reliable way to total your data is by typing the formula directly, giving you full control over the range. Click the empty cell at the bottom of your column or the end of your row. Type equals sum, and then click and drag your mouse over the cells you want to add up. Hit enter and Google Sheets will instantly calculate the total. If you want to sum an entire infinite column, you can use the shortcut, or you can type the cells manually. Next, use the function's shortcut. If you prefer not to type out formulas, you can use the built-in toolbar shortcut to do the work for you. Highlight the range of numbers you want to sum, including one empty cell at the end. Go to the top toolbar, click the Functions icon, it looks like the Greek letter sigma, and select Sum. The formula will automatically populate the empty cell with your total. Lastly, check the Quick Sum tool. If you just need a quick look at a total without actually adding a formula to your sheet, use the status bar. Highlight any group of cells containing numbers. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. A small gray box will appear showing sum equals total. You can click this box to see other quick stats like your average or count. This is perfect for a fast spot check while you're working. And that's pretty much it. To sum data in 2026, either type the sum formula, use the sigma icon in the toolbar to get an automatic total, or simply highlight your cells and check the bottom right corner for an instant preview. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.